Hi, so just a quick video changing the number plate light bulb on a Vauxhall Astra. This is an Astra twin top, but they'll all be the same. So that one, and the other one's off. I've actually got this on the axle stands from another job that I was actually doing, but I'll just show you this. Just pull that in, and then the light bulb, well, that comes off, just twist it. The light bulb comes out. Now, the light bulbs, if you get your fingerprints on them, the grease in your fingerprints, so the light bulbs, if you get the grease in your fingerprints, the grease heats up and it blows the light bulb. So the light bulb, so I'll just show you here. So you're just going to push it in to that metal clip. So just using a bit of paper so I don't touch it. So there's the light bulb one now. So get in the lens, line up the tabs. So line up the tab, push in place and then twist. And then push it back in, one side first, push up. So as you can see, now both the lights are working.